Walked out in the street and one said, I don't wanna fight no more. And the other gunslinger thought about it, and he said, yeah, what are we fighting for? I'm taking control of my life. I'm taking control of my life. I'm taking control of my life now, right now, oh yeah. Well, the crowd that assembled for the gunfight were let down. Everyone hissed and booed, and the stranger told his missus that the last one of those gunfights you're ever gonna drag me to. I'm taking control of my life. I'm taking control of my life. I'm taking control of my life now, right now, oh yeah. Well, the two gunslingers went riding out of town and were never heard from no more. And there ain't been a gunfight for a long time, maybe never, but nobody knows for sure. I'm taking control of my life. I'm taking control of my life. I'm taking control of my life now, right now, oh yeah. Now, right now, oh yeah. Now, right now, oh yeah. Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on my channel. This is going to be a guitar lesson for Two Gunslingers, one of my all-time favorites. This was off the Into the Great Wide Open album, a fantastic album by Tom and a fantastic track. So let's just go right into the lesson. I'm really excited about teaching this one. On the recording, first, the guitar is in standard tuning. On the recording, I believe there's a capo, at least on some of the guitars, on the 4th fret. So that's the guitar I'm going to play. We'll just call it the rhythm guitar. So I'm going to capo it on 4. I believe when Tom played this live in concert later in his career, he dropped the capo to the 2nd fret. So you could play it either way, or you could play it however you'd like. But if you want to play along to the record, I think you need a capo on the 4th fret if you want to use these chords. So let's start. There's a lot of sus4 chords in this song. So it starts with, I'm going to call the chords with the capo. I'm going to do a G to a G sus4. So it's going to be a lot of that. So it's kind of a pretty fast drum, kind of. Then it goes to an E minor, and I'm going to add the sus4 to the E minor, 3rd string 2nd fret to the E minor. I just add that with my pinky, but however you want to play it. And you're back to the G. Back to the E minor. I'm taking control of my life. All right, so this part, it's just a C to a D, and it repeats 3 times. C to D, C to D. All right, but what I'm doing, I'm just going to add a little more, we'll call it depth to it. I'm going to add the G bass note, so a C over G. I'm going to start with that. And then on the D, I'm going to play a D over F sharp. I'm going to grab that F sharp bass note with my thumb, play a D, and I'm actually going to open up the high E string, so it would be technically, I guess, a D sus2 over F sharp. So it's going to sound like that. So again, this is just the way I play it. A C over G to a D sus2 over F sharp or you could just do C, D, C, D, whatever you like. So again, it's like this. I'm taking control of my life. I'm taking control of my life. I'm taking control of my life now, right now. Oh yeah. Okay, so the now is an E minor. Next chord, I believe, Tom's playing a G. And then the final chord is a D. Yeah. But on the way I like to play it, I'm going to play an E minor. But then I'm going to play this E minor shape. Instead of playing a standard G, I'm just going to raise my E minor. Let me try to show you. Regular E minor on the 4th and 5th strings. I'm just going to bring it up to the 6th and 5th string. Same E minor shape, just brought up one string each. That makes sense. We'll call this an E minor over F sharp. I'm not sure if that's the technical name. But I really want that F sharp bass, and then to a D. So it's going to be now, right now, oh yeah. So E minor, right now, oh yeah. Now, right now, oh yeah. Again, you could just play a G there if you'd like. And then we're back to the D. And then I'm doing a D sus2, opening up the high E. And now the musical interlude part is just a D. It's going to be a D to a D sus4, then a C to a C sus4, then an E to an E sus4, and then back to D to a D sus4. And it does it twice each time. So it's D, start with a D, to a C, to an E, back to D. So again, I'll play the whole thing one more time. Well, the two gunslingers went riding out of town and were never heard from no more. Back to the E minor. And everything else, folks, is really the same. Everything kind of keeps going along. And then the outro is the intro. It's the G to the G sus4 3 times, I believe. So it's like this. And that's it, folks. That is 2 Gunslingers, at least my arrangement by the great Tom Petty. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll be posting another Tom Petty guitar lesson next Saturday night, again on Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the channel. Thank you, folks, for all your support. I really appreciate it. I'll see you all next week. Take care.